President anyize namuwoza alagidde bamukwate. Namuwoza sebo alagidde bakwate president. Sebo namuwoza kyazanya nakyo omusajja abakooye omutulugunya akoyo omutulugunya agamba ekimala namuwoza afiira ku simu agamba munyambe. President anyize nakugambye anyize kati abawadde obudde bwabwe buweddeyo.
Icyo kitakurubata turabaho.
Namuwoza is fighting the president. Namuwoza is beating the president. President abagambe temurwana nabo. The president is on run. The president.
Nange ni candidate Mundeke. Leave me alone. Let me go campaign. Leave me alone in a moja. Leave me alone. Be humble. Leave me alone. Don't fight with them. Don't fight with them. Rumba, I am going to campaign. Okay? Don't fight with them. Go to your car. Sir, I am going to the rally. No, I am going to the town, sir. This is the road. You are police. You can lead me. No. You can follow me. But I am not going to take 4 hours to reach my rally. I left Kampala at 3 a.m. in the morning. I have not campaigned because you blocked all the roads. No, sir. Put me in the police vehicle and drive me to the rally. Okay.
President agaye baleke police drive. President asabye motoka bamuvuge mpaka kulale. Akiriza bamuvuge mpaka kulale. Agamba tasvaawo mpaka agenda kulale. President agamba agambye balete motoka bamuvuge akiriza. The president has accepted. Tadda mabega bamuvuge.
Yes, you are going to kill.
Yes, no, we cannot.
President akiriza if ya king
Look how you're embarrassing me. Look how you're humiliating me. You're provoking me to violence. I will not fight with you, sir. I will not fight with you. Be humble. Be humble. I'm not going to fight with you. I'm not committing any crime. I'm a presidential candidate. You block the road all day. I'm not spoken to you. What you're doing to me.
No one is pushing you.
Okay? No. I am going to campaign. And I am not going to go. I am not going to go anywhere else. Do whatever you want to me. You bring it here.
Let them bring the vehicle. Yes, I think you're going
to kill me. The world is watching you, Bihembo. The world is watching you, Bihembo. Namuoza, the world is watching you. You are officers of the law, but you're breaking the law. You're doing everything criminal. Okay? I'm a presidential candidate. Why do you beat me? Why do you close the road to me? Why do you humiliate me like this? What have I done to you? This is wrong, my brother. This such a doing is wrong. You are officers of the law.
The media car first. The media car first. The media car first. Patira kusama. Namuoza Alaide. They are blocking here again. President bari mukugaraho. President agambe chebakora chebagara chebakora tayagara kurwana nabo. Namuoza ayita buyambi tabulaba.
Where's our team? Where's my security?
Tambule kwebale. Chef Rumu.
You are wasting the time so that you block me that I am late.
Namuoza Alaide.
The time so that you block me that I am late for my campaign. Why are you doing this? People power! Our power!
Wajati ya yingi masu